This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for northwestern Lafayette and southwestern Iowa counties. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Belmont or 8 miles northeast of Platteville, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mineral Point, Belmont, Linden, Waldwick, Elk Grove, Ruey, Platte Mounds, Calamine, and Lead Mine. This includes the following location: Iowa Grant School. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A severe